Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change graphic settings on Dice Streams application using mobile device. To change graphic settings in Dice Streams, first of all, open up the Dice Stream app on your device like you normally do. From the home screen, tap on the menu button or the hamburger button at the top left. Now, click on the gear button at the top right, and then from the settings menu, tap on the graphic options. Scroll through the options where you can see ultra, high, normal. Simply choose one of these options, and after you make your choice, you will be able to see that there is a difference in your Dice Streams graphic. Go ahead and explore more, and that's it. Once you've made your choice, you can also restart the game for the change to take effect. So that's how you easily change graphic settings on Dice Streams. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.